How to unsend a message on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can unsend a message on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have updated your TikTok app. At the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once you have updated your app, open it. As you launch your TikTok application, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account. Now here, go onto your inbox on your bottom right. Tap on any message that you would like to unsend. Then long tap onto it and tap on delete. Here, if you would like to delete this message from both sides, then tap on delete for everyone. But in case you would only like to delete this message from your side, then tap on delete for me. And just like so, this is how it's done. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.